Meta AI has unveiled Llama 2, the newest member of their groundbreaking family of AI models. Unlike its predecessors, Llama 2 is not a mere decorative item, but rather a powerful tool designed to fuel a wide range of other advanced applications, like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Bing Chat. In today's video, we will delve into the peculiarities and how to use Llama 2, so stay tuned till the end. On Tuesday, Meta announced Llama 2, the next generation of open-source large language models, notable for its commercial license, which means it can be seamlessly integrated into commercial products, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor. These models vary in size, ranging from 7 to 70 billion parameters. Just before delving into the peculiarities of this model, let me give a quick explanation for those wondering what Llama 2 is all about. Emerging as an evolution of its predecessor Llama, Llama 2 by Meta AI is a groundbreaking chatbot that has set a new standard in its field. Llama, the original version, garnered attention by generating text and code in response to prompts, much like other chatbots. However, its availability was restricted to prevent misuse. Despite this, Llama did eventually find its way online and became popular among AI enthusiasts. So to the question, what does an open-source LLM do? Large language models such as Llama 2 play a crucial role in powering AI tools like chatbots. These models are meticulously trained on extensive datasets, enabling them to imitate human language and even computer programming. And when an LLM is designated as open source, it signifies that its content is readily accessible to the public for use and can be modified according to their specific needs. In this context, Llama 2 is set to be in 3 different versions, with one specifically designed to be incorporated into an AI chatbot. This development presents a unique opportunity for both startups and established businesses who can now leverage Llama 2's models and fine-tune them to create their very own chatbots that could eventually become a rival to ChatGPT or Google's Bard chatbot, although Meta openly acknowledges that its new release does not quite match the level of GPT-4, the LLM powering OpenAI's ChatGPT. Llama 2 represents a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence, as it has been designed to empower developers and organizations in building more groundbreaking generative AI-powered tools. And did I tell you it's free of charge? Yes, Llama 2 is available free of charge for everyone. To facilitate accessibility and ease of use, Llama 2 is now in the Azure AI Model Catalog, which means developers using Microsoft Azure can effortlessly incorporate Llama 2 into their projects and take advantage of the platform's cloud-native tools for content filtering and safety features. Additionally, Llama 2 has been optimized to run smoothly on Windows devices, ensuring a seamless workflow for developers as they create and deliver generative AI experiences to customers across various platforms. But that's not all. Llama 2 is now also available through other leading providers, such as Amazon Web Services and Hugging Face. This further underscores Meta's commitment to making Llama 2 widely accessible, regardless of the preferred technology stack or platform. If you are a developer, Llama 2 is at your call and beckon to scale up your career. Honestly, the integration of Llama 2 into the Azure AI Model Catalog, combined with its availability on other major platforms, represents a significant milestone in the advancement of generative AI. In the fluid and fast-paced world of modern chatbots, this improvement is more than just a step forward. It's a game changer. With Meta's assurance of a smoother operation, Llama 2 is ready to make its mark not only on Windows devices, thanks to Meta's collaboration with Microsoft, but also on smartphones and PCs that are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon system on chip. So, let's talk about how to use the new model. If you want to try out Meta AI's Llama 2, I've got good news. A demo version is easily accessible on Hugging Face. Just go to this website. You will find the link in the description box. Once you're on the web page, scroll down until you come across a section labeled Demo. There, you'll find a chat box. Feel free to type your message into the chat box and press enter. If you're going to try it out, give me a thumbs up in the comments section. Also, don't forget to share your experience as well. We need to know if it is worth the hype. When it comes to LLMs that can generate remarkably human-like text, both Llama and ChatGPT have stood out as game changers. The ability of these models to produce coherent and contextually appropriate language makes them invaluable in a wide range of applications. However, there are certain key differences that set them apart. For instance, when comparing the training data of Llama 2 and GPT 3.5, There are some noteworthy differences. Firstly, the training data of Llama 2 has a cutoff date of September 2022, which indicates that it includes information collected up until that specific month. Aside from that, it also incorporates tuning data from as recently as July 2023. On the other hand, GPT 3.5, while undoubtedly a highly advanced language model, was trained on data up to September 2021. Thus, in terms of up-to-date data, Llama 2 takes the lead and surpasses its OpenAI counterpart, providing users with a more comprehensive and current dataset to leverage and generate more accurate and relevant results. Also, one of the 3 versions of Llama 2 to be released is Llama 2 Chat, a version of Llama 2 that's designed specifically for dialogue use cases. This version of the tool has been fine-tuned to mitigate toxicity and improve accuracy. The focus on mitigating toxicity is a key point that sets Meta's Llama apart, as other LLMs like ChatGPT have faced controversy in the past as regards their tendency to generate offensive content. So, is it over for ChatGPT? Though the launch of Llama 2 certainly introduces a new competitor to the market, ChatGPT wouldn't go down the drain just like that, no. While Llama 2 cannot match OpenAI's GPT-4 in terms of performance, it apparently performs well as a source-available model. Jim Fan, NVIDIA's senior AI scientist, was also honest in his review by saying that it is comparable to GPT 3.5 in reasoning tasks, but lags significantly behind in coding benchmarks. Or even on most benchmarks, Llama 2 performs at a similar level, or even surpasses Palm 540B. For more detailed information about Llama 2's performance, benchmarks, and development, I recommend referring to the research paper published by Meta on Tuesday. But the true standout feature of Llama 2 is its open-source nature, which provides a transparent view of how the model operates, but also allows independent researchers to make adjustments and address issues related to bias or toxic output. Llama 2 really means business in terms of visibility by allowing commercial use. However, it does come with certain restrictions. For instance, if a potential licensee has greater than 700 million monthly active users in the preceding calendar month, they would need to seek special permission from Meta in order to utilize it. This requirement potentially limits the free use of Llama 2 by industry giants such as Amazon or Google. While open-source large language models might gain popularity among AI fans in search of uncensored chatbots, they have concurrently faced their fair share of controversy. Meta is notable for standing alone among the tech giants in supporting major openly licensed and weights-available foundation models, while those in the closed-source corner include OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google. Some people argue that open-source AI models pose greater risks, such as their potential for misuse in the generation of spam and disinformation. It is not difficult to envision instances where Llama 2 could be used in such ways, even though these uses would violate Meta's terms of service. At present, anyone engaging in prohibited activities with OpenAI's ChatGPT API can have their access revoked. However, with the open approach, once the weights are made publicly available, there is no way to retract them. While some argue that openly available AI models promote transparency by revealing the training data used, making it accessible to everyone, and not just restricting the technology to large corporations, and encouraging free speech without censorship, of which I believe it's the case. Or what do you think, viewers? I would like to know your honest opinion about the risk involved with having an open-source large language model. We'll wrap up today's video at this point. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. See you next time.